Have your designs ever printed looking dull or cropped incorrectly? Let's dive into how to get your Illustrator files perfectly print ready every time. First, open Illustrator and create a new file. In the New Document window, select the Print preset. This automatically sets a foundation for optimum printing quality for your artwork. Crucially, set your color mode to make this is the color space used by printers, unlike RGB, which is for screens. For resolution, choose 300 PPI. This ensures sharp, crisp prints. Also, choose your dimensions based on your final design print dimensions. Now, for bleed. This is absolutely critical. Bleed is extra artwork that extends beyond your intended print size, typically around 1 to 5 inches, or 1/8 of an inch. This prevents white edges after trimming. You can preset it in the New Document window or add it later. To add a bleed later, go to File, then Document Setup, and tick Bleed. In the Document Setup panel, specify your bleed values on each side. Now when your print shop cuts, they'll cut into this bleed area. Finally, save your file in PDF format. This is the industry standard for print. In the Save As window, pick your desired file name. Then from the Format options, choose Adobe PDF. In the PDF Save settings, check the box for Use Document Bleed Settings from the Marks and Bleeds section. Now select High Quality Print from the Preset section. And there you have it, your file is print ready. Following these steps ensures your stunning designs will be professionally printed with vibrant colors and sharp detail.